Hi everyone, my name is Olayinka Yeni and I'm from Berger Consult. Today we are going to install Apache Web Services on our Linux AMI Linux 2 EC2 instance, okay? But the first thing to do is to change the privilege from the regular user to a root user. And to do that, you are going to type sudo.su. That changes your user from this regular EC2 user to a root user with more privileged. The next thing to do is to do a yum update, okay? Yum update. Now, regularly I always put -y so that it's going -y means yes for any questions because normally it asks you so many questions. Do you want to allow this update? Yes or no. But since I've put -y, I think all the necessary updates are going to be installed. Let's see. Okay, so currently there's no packet that is marked for updates on my EC2 instance, which means most of my plugins has been updated. Okay, so the next thing to do is to do yum, okay, installed -y, which is yes, httpd dot x86 underscore 64. So this is going to install the Apache Web Services on my running EC2 instance. So the Apache Web Services name is the httpd dot x86 and the 64-bit. That is what I want. Let's see. Oh, as you can see though, there's a mistake in the spelling of my install. So since I've changed it, now the Apache Web Services has been installed on my Linux EC2 AMI instance. Now we've just installed the Apache Web Services, and the next thing to do is to start the service. Okay, it's type system system systemctl start httpd, okay, dot services. So this is going to start our services. Let's see, so failed to start service http unit not found. So let's see what we did. Okay, so I think Linux is you have to know what you're spelling, and as you can see, there's a spelling in this there's an error in the spelling of my service. Okay, I put services and the command is looking for service. So Linux, Unix, I mean whatever unit operating system you are trying to configure, spelling is important. So let me take out the service and click on yes. That automatically starts the service, okay? And also after starting the service, I want to enable the service, okay? Systemctl enable httpd the service. Remember the spelling, okay? Dot service. Right now, the services has been enabled. So so we can now go back to our AWS console and browse the public IP address of our EC2 instance to see if Apache Web Services is currently running on our server. But as you can see, I'm unable to access this server. I think the problem is we need to enable port 80 to in our inbound port on the security group. So let's see the security group. Let's view the inbound. The inbound is only accepting port 22 from any source to our EC2 instance, and our Explorer or our Mozilla Firefox either works on port 80 and 443. So we need to allow port 80 to our EC2 instance. So I just clicked on the security group. You go to inbound rule, okay? You click on edit inbound rule. We want to add port 80 into to our security group so that we can browse HTTP the Apache Web Services on our server. So HTTP port 80 from anywhere. Okay, you just click on Save Rule. So then let's go back to our server page and refresh. This is the Apache Web Services running on your EC2 instance. Let us know if you have any questions. Please drop a comment, and see you in the next class.